I think you like pasta. Let's see how our machine can help you today. I'd like to introduce you to two powerful pasta making solutions from Innawei Technology, designed to take your pasta production to the next level. First, let's look at the single output pasta maker. This compact yet powerful machine has a production capacity of 1,000 kilograms per hour, powered by a 2.2 kilowatts motor. It runs on standard 220 volts, and with its size of just 500 by 470 by 780 millimeters, it's perfect for businesses that need fast, efficient, and automatic pasta production without taking up much space. It's simple to operate, reliable, and highly efficient now. For larger scale needs, we have the double output pasta machine. Built with food-grade stainless steel, this heavy-duty system can produce between 100 to 500 kilograms per hour. It offers flexibility with multiple power options, electric, gas, or diesel, and is designed for high productivity. With its strong extrusion function and double output system, it's ideal for pasta factories and commercial food production. Both machines are durable, automatic, and backed by a 1-year warranty with online support. Whether you're running a small commercial kitchen or a large pasta production line, Innawei has the right solution for you. So if you're ready to upgrade your pasta production with easy operation and high performance, choose Innawei Technology.